भारत बायोटेक, अभी तो इनके क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स नहीं हुए, अभी तो ये नहीं हुआ, अभी तो वो नहीं हुआ. Who was fueling vaccine hesitancy? अभी मेरे एक साथी ने कहा कि आपने तो उसको बीजेपी वैक्सीन बोला, और मैंने कहा ड्यूरिंग प्रेस इंटरैक्शन, मुझे तो बहुत गर्व है कि आप बीजेपी को क्रेडिट देना चाहते हैं फॉर व्हाट आवर साइंटिस्ट्स एंड मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स हैव डन. बी माय गेस्ट. द सेकंड वैक्सीन मैन्युफैक्चरर, Serum Institute, which is producing the Oxford Zeneca vaccine. This was research, AstraZeneca, research done at Oxford University by scientists, medical professionals, developed by AstraZeneca pharmaceutical company, and Serum Institute was one of the manufacturing facilities, the only one in India, which produced it under license. Now, do you know that we are also part of international agreements? Do you know that we also have obligations under those instruments? And then when domestic manufacture takes place, we are obliged, apart from what my colleague said, we are part of a global system. Supply chains, inputs come from outside the country. And to make politics out of this, ये राजनीतिक रोटियां सेकने का अवसर है. Let me tell you what we did. We produced an ecosystem which today we are one of the leading manufacturers. We are going to meet the domestic demand. My colleague Mansukh Bhai will respond to that and give you the precise numbers. As of yesterday, we had administered 42 crore doses. 42 crore doses. What percentage? Are you apologetic about the fact that we have a population of 1.34 billion as against another country which has 300 million? Give it a few more days. Our percentage of population also will be rising. But gentlemen, we need everyone to be on board on that. What are we talking about? मोदी जी, एक युवा ने कहा, मोदी जी हमारे बच्चों की वैक्सीन कहां है? तो मैंने ट्वीट किया, राजस्थान में उसको कूड़े के उसमें डाला जा रहा है और पंजाब में उसमें मुनाफाखोरी हो रही है. Now, I don't want to get involved in the inner dynamics of what is happening in the leading opposition party. They are preoccupied in Punjab. I wish them the best of luck. But I can tell you two things. Mr. Deputy Chairman, please indulge me for 1 or 2 more minutes. We not only produced vaccines domestically, to showcase that, we also were able to share our expertise, our abilities, our supplies with our immediate neighbors as part of one large family. We are importing also. But if you want to fuel vaccine hesitancy, I was in doubt. I must share with some of my friends here. Some of them turned around and said, "Bhai, ye domestic vaccine theek nahi hai." Were they making out a case for expensive imported vaccines? I asked myself that question. If you want to have imported vaccines, it's a different issue. Now I come to the center state, and sir, this is going to be my last point.
Please.
4 years after I've become a member of this house, sir, this is the first time I'm participating as a member of this house. So please indulge me for 1 more minute. Who are the people who said, let the states do it? Let the states do it. Who had 2 chief ministers? I don't want to name them. They said, center should not do the vaccine procurement. Let the states do it. The Honorable Prime Minister agreed. Apart from the state governments, state chief ministers, my senior colleague used to be my minister, a very dear friend. Many of them, I will quote you the statement saying, by center states ko karne dijiye. But when the states were not able to do it, that's when the center took them over and we procured them in order to provide them free to the states. It's not that we were distributing in North Block and South Block. Sir, I'm sorry, these are the home truths.